Hey everyone, Vanakkam, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making very delicious and tasty South Indian style pepper chicken fry. Let's start this recipe by dry roasting some whole spices. 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon whole coriander seeds, and 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. We will gently dry roast the spices on a pan on very low and gentle flame. Once we smell the amazing spice aroma, we'll take it off the flame and give it a nice bash in our pestle and mortar. Not too fine and not too coarse, somewhere in the middle. We need that texture of our whole spices. For this recipe, I will be using 500 grams of chicken. It is cut into small chunks. It is with bones. We will also need 1 cup of finely diced shallots, which is around 5 medium size of shallots, 4 green chillies, 2 roughly chopped, 2 for garnish, half tablespoon of ginger freshly grated, and half tablespoon of freshly grated garlic. Around 4 to 5 sprigs of curry leaves for garnishing and cooking. Heat a pan on medium-high heat. Add half a cup of sesame seed oil. This is the Indian version. Add 2 small pieces of cinnamon stick. We'll add in our diced shallots. So we'll cook the shallot till it's soft for about a minute. We'll add in curry leaves. Next we'll add in our ginger, garlic and green chilies. We'll cook for about a minute. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Give it a good mix. At this point, if you want to turn the flame to low, you can do that. Now we add in our chicken pieces. Give it a good mix. You can turn the flame back to medium-high, and we will cook the chicken without lid for around 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes, and now we'll add around 1/3 cup of water because it's with bones. We now cover and cook the chicken so that it cooks through. Just give it a mix. We'll now cover and cook this on low flame for 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. Let's add in the homemade pepper masala that we made earlier. So around 1 tablespoon of our pepper masala. See, most of our moisture has evaporated. So now let's give it a good mix. Cook it uncovered for 5 minutes. Our pepper chicken is ready. Let's garnish it with some fresh coriander, green chilies and curry leaves. Let's turn off the flame and give it a final mix. If you like this recipe, please leave a comment and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your support is much appreciated. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.